So this is for the 4runner. Currently I have just this giant ashtray right here and just 3 buttons, 3 of these blank spots. It's pretty dirty back here. Gotta clean it. I'm gonna take it apart and clean all this. It's really dirty. Eesh, look at that. It's nasty. Alright, it's pretty much all taken apart right now. You can see it's pretty dirty, kind of dirty. Gross. I was able to clean this a little bit. This is all gunked up. That's how getting clean. But getting there. So I'm gonna be replacing this because of this. It is broken. Doesn't want to shut, and I'm missing the door for this. So well, that was easy. It literally just comes right out. Look at that. Boom. Okay. So I just gotta unplug this. Yeah, the previous owner looks like they had dogs or a dog. Here's the new. This is the old one. And just like that, easy peasy. All the plugs are in. And this is going in now. This just kind of presses in. And I think that's it. Boom. Easy swap. Looks good to me. I'm gonna put a little charging thing, USB charger thing in here. So, yeah.